Cybersecurity's AI arms race is heating up fast, and the stakes couldn't be higher. If your company underestimates how quickly hackers are advancing with generative AI, you could become patient zero in the next wave of AI-driven cyber attacks. But if you overestimate the risk, you might waste millions preparing for the wrong fight. Here's the reality: the cybersecurity world is split. On one side, experts argue defenders still hold the advantage. Hackers lack the deep pockets and cloud compute power to truly scale AI-powered attacks, and current large language models have clear limits. That gives defenders time to build their own AI tools. But the darker view? Cybercriminals are already using open-source AI to scan internet-connected devices, find zero-day vulnerabilities, and even generate new malware. These tools are evolving rapidly, and hackers don't need massive infrastructure anymore. Some can now run powerful AI models right on their own machines. Before I go deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. At recent Black Hat and DEF CON conferences, experts revealed just how divided the field is. Some see AI defense tools closing the gap, like Microsoft's prototype malware detecting agent, or Trend Micro's digital twin simulations that test cyber threats in safe environments. But others warn that attackers are now using reinforcement learning to innovate entirely new attack vectors. Instead of blasting the same vulnerability at dozens of companies, they can tailor strikes for each victim. That means everyone becomes patient zero. The unsettling truth? By next year, incident response teams could be facing attacks they've never seen before, attacks designed by AI, not humans. At the same time, AI defense tools are improving fast, with some models predicted to reach the skill level of senior security researchers. So the question is, will AI tip the balance in favor of defenders, or will hackers seize the edge first? One thing's certain, the race is on and the clock is ticking. Watch the related video in the corner to keep learning about how AI is reshaping cybersecurity. And if you got value from this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.